Hello and welcome to the chart table at Palangi. I've decided I want to do something a bit different than the little shorts I've been putting out with boat tips and maintenance. I'll still do those. But I've got something a bit different I'm going to be doing, a bit big for me, which is sailing solo back from Brazil, where I am now, to the Azores. A journey of about 4-5 weeks. I've decided I want to do this on my own. So I would like to put out before I leave, which will be on the 25th of May. So I've set myself a bit of a deadline. As Douglas Adams said, who wrote Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy, he just loved the deadline. He loved the sound they made as they whooshed past. But we need something to sort of focus on. So that's 3 weeks away from now. Means I have to renew my visa here in Brazil. And the temptation is to stay 3 months more. But 25th of May, which is Azores Day, national holiday in the Azores. So that feels quite an auspicious date to leave, to sail to the Azores from here in Salvador, Brazil. So I want to do, before I leave, 3 about 10-minute videos. So there's one I want to do, which is about the boat preparation. She's ready to go pretty much. We've been sailing offshore for quite a while now on this trip since leaving Portugal at the beginning of December. But there's a few things I want to do just to make sure it's as uneventful a passage as possible, especially being on my own. I don't want there to be extra jobs. There'll be something, I'm sure. So something about the boat prep. And then I want to do another sort of 10-minute video or so about the weather, the routing, the navigation, all that kind of side of things. That'll probably be the last one. And the first one I want to do is about kind of the overall preparation, state of mind stuff, attitude, and some of the things that I need to think about for safety, being on my own. A lot of stuff, usual rules will apply, but there'll be some new ones and some new things just to make it a bit more comfortable. We'll be heading into the wind quite a lot, so I want everything nailed down. I don't want things rattling around doing my head in. And I want some activities and some nice food, and I want to really, really enjoy it and give myself, a good trip. So if that interests you, if you're already subscribed to this YouTube channel, that's great. If you haven't, please subscribe, and I will keep you informed of my plans to sail solo from Brazil to the Azores and wherever next. Thanks.